GPT-5 has finally arrived, and it's nothing short of revolutionary. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a complete transformation of what ChatGPT can do. Imagine having text, images, voice, and even live video all in a single conversation without ever switching models. Add to that a coding engine that can create complex software on demand, and you start to see why this release is such a big deal. From helping you research faster to guiding you through real-world tasks step by step, GPT-5 is faster, smarter, and more personal than ever before. And in this breakdown, we'll explore exactly why this version changes the game for AI users everywhere. In the past, working with AI meant juggling different models, one for speed, another for deep reasoning, and yet another for visual tasks. GPT-5 completely eliminates that hassle. It's now a unified flagship model that automatically picks the best brain for your request without you lifting a finger. At its core are two main processing modes: GPT-5 Main, designed for lightning-fast, responsive answers, and GPT-5 Thinking, which takes a slower, more deliberate approach for complex reasoning. You might ask it a quick factual question and get an instant reply, then follow up with a deep research query and watch it shift into a more analytical mode seamlessly. This dynamic switching happens in real time, giving you speed when you need it and depth when it matters most, all without breaking the flow of conversation. GPT-5 isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It comes in three carefully tuned versions: Standard, Mini, and Nano. Standard is the premium powerhouse, designed for heavy-duty users like engineers, researchers, and serious creators who need maximum reasoning ability, the largest memory, and the most accurate responses. Mini offers a balanced blend of performance and affordability, ideal for professionals who want speed and quality without overspending. Nano is the ultra-light option, perfect for quick fact-checking, drafting short content, or running simple automations. The real magic is that GPT-5 can automatically downgrade you to Mini or Nano if you hit your standard usage limit, so your workflow never grinds to a halt. Even the smallest version, Nano, delivers results that surpass GPT-3, meaning you're never stuck with a weak AI. This tiered approach makes GPT-5 flexible enough for solo entrepreneurs, large teams, and casual users alike. One of GPT-5's most jaw-dropping leaps forward is its enormous context window: 256,000 tokens in ChatGPT and a staggering 400,000 through the API. To put that in perspective, that's about 200,000 words at once. You could drop in the complete text of an epic fantasy novel, upload an entire enterprise-level codebase, or paste in months of meeting transcripts, and GPT-5 will track every detail without losing its place. This expanded capacity isn't just about holding more text, it's about creating richer, more coherent conversations that don't forget earlier parts. Long-term projects like writing a book, training an AI model, or analyzing years of scientific data become far smoother when your assistant can remember every chapter, every data set, and every nuance you've shared with it over days or even weeks. Bigger isn't always better unless it's paired with smarter, and GPT-5 delivers on that front too. In reasoning mode, hallucinations have been slashed by 78%, meaning the model is far less likely to produce false or made-up details. Responses are now better structured, with a stronger focus on clarity, context, and factual grounding. For professionals in law, medicine, engineering, or academic research, this boost in reliability could mean the difference between spending hours fact-checking and being able to trust your assistant's output from the start. While no AI is perfect, GPT-5 takes a huge step toward becoming a truly dependable partner in critical work. GPT-5 doesn't just answer questions, it learns who you are. It remembers your preferences, your ongoing projects, and even your long-term goals, so you don't have to keep repeating yourself. If you're studying for an exam, it can adapt its explanations to your preferred learning style over time. If you're writing a novel, it can keep track of your characters, plot arcs, and stylistic quirks across multiple sessions. 4 built-in personalities: cynic, robot, listener, and nerd let you customize its tone and style, making the interaction feel more natural and aligned with your mood. Over days and weeks, GPT-5 starts to feel less like a tool and more like a genuine collaborator who's invested in your success. Perhaps the most headline-worthy feature is GPT-5's fully integrated multimodal capability. You can upload an image, drop in text, speak through your microphone, or even stream live video, and the model processes it all in the same conversation. During one launch demo, it helped a user repair a bike by watching a live camera feed and giving real-time guidance. Voice mode now adapts dynamically to your tone and pacing, making it sound far more natural and human. For pro users, it can join video calls, assist during live presentations, or walk you through a process while you share your screen. This is AI stepping into the role of a real-time collaborator, not just a static chatbot. GPT-5 doesn't live in isolation. It plugs directly into the tools you already use. With Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Contacts integration, it can scan your schedule, draft timely emails, and surface relevant information without extra effort. Working on a client proposal, it can pull data from your inbox, format it beautifully, and slot deadlines into your calendar automatically. Even small touches, like color-coding different chat threads for different projects, make managing your workload smoother. Pricing is consistent with previous plans, $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus and $200 for Pro. But the API options for Mini and Nano are significantly cheaper than GPT-4, delivering better performance at lower cost for developers and businesses. OpenAI has taken safety seriously with GPT-5, especially in areas that could cause harm if misused. Advanced reasoning mode is flagged as high risk for sensitive domains like bioengineering and chemical synthesis, meaning access comes with stricter filters, human oversight, and built-in limitations. The model is also harder to jailbreak, more resistant to manipulation, and better at refusing unsafe requests. While no system is completely immune to errors or misuse, GPT-5 represents a balanced approach, powerful enough to handle cutting-edge tasks, but with guardrails in place to reduce risks. Taken as a whole, this version feels less like a single upgrade and more like a leap forward in AI's role as a daily partner. Whether you're creating, learning, building, or simply exploring ideas. With its unified design, smarter reasoning, and unmatched versatility, GPT-5 makes it easier than ever to do more in one place. And once you've experienced it, going back to an older model feels like switching from a 4K display to a grainy old screen. The question now is, what's the first thing you'll create with it? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI.